we learned about inserting components, but sometimes you may not find the component inside this library, some components. For example, let us assume that we want to insert a power supply, 24 volt DC power supply, which is connected to a 415 volt. Let us assume that that is not available in your library. Then what we will do? Sometimes when you work with an organization, you may require to introduce some new components in your schematic diagrams, in which the block may not be available in the library. In that case, we can build a symbol. That option is available, symbol builder. So today we will learn about how to build a new symbol with attributes and all, so that we can extract those components into our bill of material. Normally, when in normal electrical LT, what we do is we make blocks. Suppose, for example, here I want to make a power supply. What I will do? Normal AutoCAD, we do this kind of things. I will draw a scale. To 5. These are terminals. Okay. Input terminals, 3-phase supply. This is output terminals. What we do is we make blocks. Select objects, we make block. This is how normally we convert to block. We simply makes blocks and inserting in drawings. But in this case, if you make blocks, what will happen is you cannot extract these details. I mean, the manufacturer name, catalog name, ratings, description, installation, location. These things you cannot extract if you make simple blocks. And moreover, if you draw a wire here, see, it is simply going through this. Actually, what should happen is, once this wire touches this terminal, it should get trimmed. That is what the ideal situation, but it is not happening here. If you make a simple block, it won't happen. So in that case, we have to use symbol builder facility. How can we make a symbol? I will explain you how to make a power supply. The same thing. So always make sure the symbols which you make is not in the wire layer. Now I am making a symbol rectangle here. Rectangle. Okay. Go to schematic. You will find out this symbol builder. Select objects. Select these objects first. Don't worry about all these things. Simply click OK. This is our block editor, right? Now here we have to assign certain values so that we can accommodate them inside this particular block and also can extract them into our bill of material. whenever we insert a component, it is that will ask you for tag. So that is an essential thing. So just click here, insert attribute. Before that, if you want to set certain properties for that attributes, you can click here, properties. See, the height of the attribute will be 0.125. Yes, in my case this height is fantastic, good enough. And I want to start the attribute starting position left, fine, width factor 1, okay. Second, manufacturing, again I can check here, the height here is 0.10. I want it to be left aligned, height should be 0.125. It depends upon your title block, right? This height depends upon width factor 1, fine. Next, catalog number, again this height I want to change 1.25. I'm repeating this so that you will get an idea. Left, this left means the text will start writing from the left. If I choose center, it will center, aligned on center, okay. Assembly code, properties 0.124 is my ideal height, again I am putting it here, and left. All these things are, it is not necessary we should put all these things inside the drawing. Sometimes these assembly codes and all don't play a major role normally, but catalog number, yes we need. Manufacturer, yes we need. Tag number, yes we need. Description, of course we need. 1.25 left, description 2, property 1.25, fine, align left, right. Description 3, property 1.25, I just want to align left. The rest all are sub options. Oh, the height, let it be 1, okay. Let me check this one also, the height 0.7, sorry, width factor 1. In here 1. And installation, yes 1, left. Location 1, and this one left. So these properties I have set it now. Now I want to insert some attributes. See, insert attribute. Click here. Here is one attribute, tag. I can put it anywhere as I wish within this drawings. I am putting it here. This is a one-time job, so you make it beautifully. One-time job only. Once you make this component, you can save it in your library and you can use it for future purposes, right? So I'm drawing a simple line from here, and I will just copy this little bit up 0.23. Fine. So tag is inserted. Now go to manufacturing. Again I want to insert end of this. So let me copy few more lines so that it will be easy for me to insert the attributes one by one. These are the commands, simple commands. Okay. Now cat number, again insert end of this. I'm not putting any assembly code. If you want, you can put family name. If you want, you can put PS4 power supply, anything like that. Description, yes, I need that. That I'm going to put somewhere here, right? Description 2, again I want to put here description 3, fine. I'm not inserting it properly, but while you make, you should make like this case should be proper, distance should be equal. Okay, installation, again I'm going to put, sorry, installation. Sometimes we may not require this to appear in the drawing, so we can hide it anyway later on. Location, installation, location, yes. So these many things I have put. And again, coming back to cross reference, maybe if you are making a relay, typical relay, so when you make the coil, you may require some provisions for some reference numbers to appear. I mean, you may be making a coil, but when you use the contacts of those particular coil, when you insert the contacts, you require some cross referencing. In that case, you have to put this cross referencing also. See, now see you, this is the difference. This is centrally, this alignment is little bit different from my earlier one. Property, this is center. If I make it left, it will be alright. Now it is left aligned. So coming down, pin list, there are many things. Rating, yes, I want the rating. Rating, I will put it in the middle here. Wire connection, this is another important thing, because now we will put some terminals in this. I'm not putting in a terminal here right now. In fact, I will draw few circles here. See, I have drawn a circle here. Then press F9 to keep your snap on. So copy, middle one, it will be here. I will stretch it little bit upwards so that it will look unique. These are some beautification works. Okay. I will remove this. Copy. Let us put it in equal distance. Fine, now it is in equal distance. Stretch, I'm stretching it little bit up. Now it's okay. I want two terminals here. These are the three terminals for my 415 volt AC incoming supply, and these two will be my 24 volt DC output supply. This is what I am trying to make, right? So what happens is, when you connect a wire to this terminal, that wire should get trimmed at this point. Okay, so there this wire connection plays a major role. Let me keep my O snap on quadrant. Yeah, it is here. Now I am going to see, in left direction, the left, insert wire connection. I am putting it here, here, here. Escape. Now see these three terminals left connection styles. Now I want to put it the right side also for these terminals. Here, here. You will note it's functioning while I insert these components into drawing. So almost tag number is there, manufacturer's name, catalog number, descriptions, my ratings, installation location, cross referencing, almost all there. Now let us see how it functions. So I am closing this. Close block editor. Okay. Now symbol name you can give any name as you wish. For example, here I am giving trial 002, so it will automatically put in extract a few numbers or digits from here and will put unique identifier as here. That's automatic process. And here this is important, file path, where you want to save these symbols so that you can use in future. So make your own one library so that it will be easy for you. You make all the components whatever you required and store it in one particular place. And the description style, this symbol name also as per your convenient. Otherwise you will find it very difficult to identify which one is what. So always make your own style and make one particular path. So for example, here I am making drawings. I am just going to keep it inside E only, my E drive. You can go to any directory, you can create a new folder. Suppose inside E I am creating a symbol. Symbol is already sim. Okay, I am going to now see the path is E and sim is my directory. 3 arrays found. These are nothing serious because we have not provided it in assembly code, family, cross-referencing, etc. That is why it is coming. Forget it. Okay. So now click pick point. This is the insertion point. When you insert this particular component into your drawing, it will ask for an insertion point. So this is important. Insertion point, I am picking in this particular quadrant of that terminal. Okay. There is already some image I have made previously. Do you want to insert the symbol after closing block editor? Yes. Now see, it is there. It is asking me for component. This is my sheet number 3, so I am giving 3ps1 and description. I am going to give it as power supply, input 415 volt AC, 3 phase, output is my 24 volt DC. Okay, manufacturer, let us say Phoenix, catalog number 123 XXX, sorry XXX, count 1, installation code, lineup 1, panel number 1, rating, let us say this 125 ampere. Okay, see, everything is there. There are few things which is hidden now, like what? Like Phoenix, manufacturer, catalog number and all these things are not appearing in the drawing. It is not necessary. We need them only while extracting the bill of material. Now if I draw a wire, see what happened. See, just a minute. Now if I draw a wire, that will get trimmed. Sorry, this one is not through the terminal. See, this is that point we inserted a pinpoint left. If I draw from right to left, suppose if I draw a wire from here to here, see this green cross, that is what we inserted while making this block terminal number. You remember that for these three left hand side terminals we use left, and for those in the right we use right. So if I connect a wire from this side to this side, see, because we have choose this point as the termination point. This is how it works. Now see, if you want to extract this particular thing in your bill of material, let us see whether it works or not. And again, if you don't want this line upon 01TT and all, you can hide it. Hide attributes, you can always hide those things. And if you want to move few attributes little bit here and there, that's also very much possible. Sorry, you can keep it anywhere as you wish. Fine. Now I'm going to reports, bill of material, active drawing. Okay, see this 3PS1 power supply input. Instead of P I put O. Fine. Okay, 415 volt 3 phase, and a few descriptions are missing here. Output 24 volt. I want to change the format. See, you can go here. I want the description 3 as well. Bring it here. Description, sorry, I don't want this one. Description 3 I want here, and description 3 should come below this tag description, catalog number, manufacturer's name and quantity. That's all. I want this much only. And if you want a location and installation, that is also possible. Location, installation. Okay. Okay. See, now see, 3PS1 power supply, input 415 volt 3 phase, output 24 volt DC, line up 1 01TT, catalog number, manufacturer's name, quantity. Again, you can save to a file in Excel mode, whatever format you want from these available options. And if you want again to put it in the drawing, you can put OK. I'm going to put it here, close. See, this is your bill of material for this particular sheet. This is an example, just an example. 3PS1 and all. And you note one thing, I'm just copying this component, copy component. Here you see copy component. I'm going to copy this component one more time. I'm going to give it as 3PS2. Fine. So now I have 3PS1, 3PS2, two components. Apart from the tagging, everything is same. I have not changed anything. The rating, location, I have not changed anything. Only the tag I have changed. Suppose if I extract the bill of material, let us see what happened. Reports. active drawing only. Okay, see, now you see the difference. The quantity comes as 2. Quantity comes as 2. And now if you are putting this in the drawing, here is an option. It is asking update existing. Okay, and if you insert OK, what happens is, now already there is a bill of material which is in which the quantity is only 1. Now if I am going to insert update existing, and in fact you can include a time, date as well. Okay, close. See, it has updated, so it's no need to delete the existing bill of material and put a new one. It will automatically update the existing one. Once you copy some components, if you put some extra components, so just go there and update. That's enough. And this time, see, I have made this bill of material, and this time, date, everything. So it is very useful thing for future reference. Your boss or your superior can easily verify at what time you have made this change. He is getting the date, time, everything perfect. So this is how you can make bill of material symbols. Now if I want to insert the symbols again, maybe in another sheet, schematic, insert icon. See, here there is an option. These are the library available within AutoCAD, but I want to insert a component which is not in this library, but I have made in past. So browse, go to that directory. I think that was sim. It is here. Open, insert. It will ask for this thing, 3PS3. That's it. You can put input 415 volt AC, 3-phase supply, output 24 volt DC, output I put 24 volt DC, and again manufacturer, Phoenix, catalog, this time 123 UUU, count 1, installation code, lineup 1, 01 TT, this time 80 ampere. Fine. Now I am going to insert it. Oops, cow. Just a minute. Yeah, it's here. Now you see, this is PS3. You can insert in this way, right? Draw wires, and again, if you extract the BOM, go to reports, bill of material, active drawing. Okay, you will get this third one as well, 3PS3. Put it on drawing. Again, update existing. If you want to insert a new one, you see, not updatable, but update existing. You always use this thing. Add time. See, there are many options. Project lines. If you add a project line, that will also appear in this line. Put it in the drawing. Update existing. Okay, close. Now you see, it is also here. 3PS3 is there, quantity is 1, another 2 are identical, therefore the quantity it is counting as 2. This is how symbol builder function works. You can create a rich library of your own, whatever component you want. You can create with your ideas, with your requirement, It can be in any shape. Whatever details you put, whatever extra details you want to put it. That will appear in your bill of material. That's all about symbol builder. Okay.